Hello students, in this video let us solve some exercise problems. Take this problem. Prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. First you consider the left hand side, that is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Now the sin square pi by 6 can be written like this here. That's equal to sin pi by 6 whole square. Similarly, cos square pi by 3 can be written as cos pi by 3 whole square, and tan square pi by 4 can be written as tan pi by 4 whole square. And these are standard angles. Pi by 6, pi by 3 and pi by 4 are standard angles, and you know the values of these. Let us substitute the values here, and that's equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 whole square. Tan pi by 4 is 1 square. Next step is simplification. It's a basic math you have to apply, and that's equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Taking LCM now. For this, LCM is 4, and 1 plus 1 minus 4 divided by 4. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, take another problem. Prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Here, this is similar to the previous problem, and you can write like this: 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3, which is equal to 2 sin pi by 6 whole square plus cosec 7 pi by 6 whole square into cos pi by 3 whole square. Now, here we know the value of sin pi by 6 and cos pi by 3, but cosec 7 pi by 6 slightly different. Cosec 7 pi by 6 can be written like this: cosec 7 into 30 degree, because pi by 6 is 30 degree, 7 into 30 degree. What is 7 into 30 degree? That's equal to 210 degree. Cosec 210 degree. And cosec 210 degree can be written like this: cosec 180 degree plus 30 degree, and cosec 180 degree plus 30 degree is equal to, you have to find now, here it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosec is negative, because according to ASTC rule, in third quadrant tan and its reciprocal are positive, remaining are negative. Therefore cosec is negative, that's equal to minus, and it is 180 degree, it is 2 times 90 degree, it's even number, even multiple of 90, function will be same as that, that's equal to cosec 30 degree. What is the value of cosec 30 degree? Cosec 30 degree is 2, and it's equal to minus 2, and this you have to find it. You can do it as a side work. Next, you can substitute this in the given expression. You'll have 2 into, what is sin pi by 6? Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 its whole square, plus cosec 7 pi by 6 is minus 2 whole square, into cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Simplifying, 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4 minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 into 1 by 4. And this can be further simplified. 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2 to the 1 by 2, 4 cancels plus 1. LCM for this is 2. 1 plus 2 by 2, that's equal to 3 by 2. Now take this problem. Find the value of sine 75 degree. And to find the value of sine 75 degree, you can split and write 75 degree like this. Sine 75 degree, which is equal to sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. We can express 75 degree as sum of two standard angle. And you can apply the formula now. What is sine of x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. And see this, it is sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. It is of sine of x plus y form, and we have to apply sine of x plus y formula now. And this is equal to sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. What is the value of sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2, and cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Simplifying this, you will have root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And this is the method of finding the value of sine 75 degree. If it is 15 degree, you can write 45 degree minus 30 degree, and you can find sine 15 degree also like this only. Instead of plus, there will be minus, and the final answer will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, you can find the value of cos 75 degree, tan 75 degree. Now see this question now. Prove that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x into cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Here you have to apply the allied angle formula. 3 pi by 2 means 3 into 90 plus x, which is in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, and cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x is equal to plus sin x. Just applying the allied angle formula. And what is cos of 2 pi plus x? Cos of 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x is in the first quadrant, and it is 2 pi. It is even multiple of pi by 2, and it will be same as this, and it is equal to cos x. And now cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive, and cot changes to tan because it is odd multiple of pi by 2. Cot changes to tan, and is equal to tan x. Now last one is cot 2 pi plus x. It is again in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, cot is positive, and it is plus cot x. Next step is simplification. You can simplify like this. Sin x cos x as it is, I'll write. What is tan x? Tan x is sin x by cos x plus cot x. What is cot x? Cos x by sin x. Just substituting tan x and cot x and expressed in terms of sin and cos. Next step is simplification. What is the LCM for the right part? Here cos x sin x is the LCM, and cos x sin x is the LCM, and taking LCM, it will become sin x into sin x into sin x plus cos x into cos x. And now sin x cancel, cos x cancel, and what will remain? Sin square x plus cos square x. What is sin square x plus cos square x? Which is equal to 1. Now let us consider one more problem. Prove that sin of n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x into cos n plus 2 x is equal to cos x. Consider the left hand side. Sin of n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x into cos n plus 2 x. It is of the form cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, but it is interchanged, and that is sin x sin y plus cos x cos y, and it's equal to cos of x minus y. Now you can observe it's of the same form. In place of x it is n plus 1 into x, in place of y n plus 2 into x. Similarly here n plus 1x, n plus 2x. And if you apply formula now, the right hand side is cos of x minus y. What is x here? X is n plus 1 into x. What is y? N plus 2 into x. That is cos of n plus 1 into x. N plus 1 into x is the term in the red box. Similarly, the term in the green box is n plus 2 into x minus n plus 2 into x. Simplifying this, you will have cos nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Nx cancels. You will have cos of x minus 2x is equal to minus x. And what is cos of minus x? Cos x, because minus x is in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Cos of minus x equal to cos x. And this is the proof of this problem. Thank you.